Eva Olivia Kwaba Eba GCDs, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bremo. Kennedy Agyapong out then who compata Bawumia 1 year campaign Okumaso Akoye and Sembe Nipa Brenana and Cassetia Kennedy Agyapong a year. Nanuna ya branche bako I friend Ivan on to the Manuatu Amawa to be the money Kennedy Agyapong. Now answer the double and 7. Mr. Say, so when you subscribe to the channel now, Mr. Say over subscribe. The over say over click the subscribe button. Now what barely notification. Where is a new video piano also what's a back can be. I feel we are now like a video, give us a thumbs up. Nothing. Share my offer so now when you be now one share. I feel you do that a cinema. Now Bawumia the campaign or the copy or Kumasi and no who Kennedy Agyapong on so multi platform now to say or Bawumia Amana campaign. Then now Nipa Bibi at the city, name Abra one in the air play a flag bearer position, a year Nipa or to Francano, Kennedy airport product or can simply do it here Bawumia and yet or to be money Bawumia pardon the economies and civil art upon some. Now actually I see what you tell now then who Akufo-Addo Bawumia or what am campaign on Google be full Kennedy Agyapong. And I want or also about more what to be the man a Kennedy Agyapong I want to say or your greedy politician or your self-centered to say apparently or to be money a Kennedy Agyapong or the assembly go now so 80. Now yes and tomorrow a Ivan or also the reaction if I Kennedy Agyapong the only Bawumia for still using the Akoto. It's also in some what the air to
we are strategists. Excuse me, strategists. Or be also your strategists.
God
also your strategists.
Right, about Kuni and about Kusuni tell.
Body Madrid. Nature announce and then go on your bedia. God knows I've done my media mechanical and went because you can beat Mahama. Namasimi and Kasa Makoka say. We lost the election in 2022.
Meme driver, Ofori Ashama. Uncle.
Yes, I think since Kennedy Agyapong could the Bawumia choir campaign, there has been mixed reaction and Obia or the original Oka. And Bakwa Meti Yami me asem obi atena TV so ka say oh politics say duru obi e ka de obeka obetimi anwe ne. Say really? But be a Ghana politics na Kwaku duru no. Do politics, you can just take the platform and just spew any garbage at all because you want power. And when the okay, people should just disregard it and then we move on. Alaska, Abra MPP, primaries, presidential aspirant elections, the Betanaha, and I made my position quite clear. Say, I am shocked, say, a character like Kennedy Agyapong.
That's right.
And not even the moral conviction and the infantry to say Okofa form Akop president adi. How low the veil of your fans respect a guide your presidency sink it to. Because Kennedy Agyapong wasn't somebody who was coming from Ethiopia, Haiti, and also China. This is a guy who has been part and parcel of our body politics in this country. I'm on phone him the track record. Kwanya Ofaso are conducting over the years. Yes, there is a side of him that is very good because the last time I was telling you, one of the kind politicians of more Ghana higher. He's one of them.
Exactly.
And I Kennedy Agyapong beti me aye na be shock you. I'm telling you because obi a me life me that. But mobi and according to people that is who he is, that is what he does sometimes. That is the other side. But leadership, governance, politics, presidency, Alaska is a different thing altogether. So mean to me, say, oh, now I come in Alaska and mommy 200 Ghana. So me go tell you, me am sabra ba obonye. Now china wakofa we eba begina ha me say, oh, now no mommy we ninti. No. It is not your future. It is the future of a lot of people at stake. So you can't just go and trade that future for the obedient amount. When you know say that person poses a monumental threat to the very foundation of our democracy. And it was on that particular way Nameka said, no, that character, no. Because we are battling with another character here, Akufo-Addo. You packaging more like a deceptive way. You have a Ghana for our problem na yet hona ye kon ye nyankunye. And if we want to redeem ourselves out of this precarious situation, we don't need no Kennedy Agyapong. We don't need no such character. man can some not see stage, so I'll ask some do can be. And you see, one thing I am very interested is in some Kennedy Agyapong taking stage in an all canon. You see, in politics there are mere allegations, you just peddle them.
That's right.
There are no basis to substantiate or justify as to what I said 7 nipa no canon. But issues now can related to Bawumia's competence and integrity. Which is key, fundamental in American politics. All the elections no more united is about integrity and it is about your friend saying kwanya nipa can trust you. Say the obet me here, ne they want to be near the Alaska, you can elect a fool and the person will assemble around him wise people and they can still manage the country.
That's right.
But your credibility as whether you can be trusted or not, that is very key. And that is Agyapong no lucky. And the ukwa political platform, so you told people in some now can you say because the dollar and all can want some say because dollar not sinking so low until the people should not vote for Bawumia because he has been the leader of the economic management team. No, at that time, an MPP and a campaign, then an Kennedy Agyapong that no, not dollar less. It was around 12 cities.
That's right. And now,
Mokoto Abaniwe no, akwanenim nti some na wo kan say akwana ya west no, e say oya west hams too. So how dare you then go out there and tell people say they should go and vote for that person? It means it's either you are a joker or maybe you've been compensated good. And this is a greedy guy. And I have told you, this is a self-centered, passionate, greedy person. Always and always about it's about him. Oh, come on. Such greedy people. You see, there are a lot of greedy people in our body politics over the years. Very self-centered, very selfish. If it is not about them, then everybody should go.
But what raise your point so? At the time, I'm not 12 CD, you know. We see on your west.
Yes.
So see, I cost 17. We see Antomano.
Yes. So, sir, issues no nya da jena ba ba. That is when you see all these things.
Wow.
Alaska. At the time, I know Kasansem. That is the dollar. And today he's out there. So the question maybe someone say yes, Kennedy. And I'm you know, Obia will right to belong to whichever political party, and I will be a bad mistake on my part to go against Obi because we are choosing to join a particular party. Your choice. What I said, but we are advocating said that choice must be rational. You need to premise that choice on something reasonable, something very convincing. They're all right to. But I walk about say, oh, cancer much then we activate a conversation that must be debated.
Yeah.
So the question is, and some are not all condemn about Bawumia, the credibility, the integrity, the performance, honor. Alaska, and then answer, Frizo to Abaniwe. Things are getting worse. Have you checked from Bloomberg recent publication about it? Alaska, Bloomberg say Osha says that all tracking currencies we saw Osha say in Juma since 1994. This is the first time Ghana are witnessing a downward, your friend saying downgrade in a currency for the first time since 1994 under the same Bawumia.
Wow.
Bloomberg say Okofa currencies mako 150 around the world. And now option strength Alaska unim yesika no nipo too no. The Egyptian pound and the Nigerian naira. Some of the unim say and now one other currency we refi. And 150 countries no fire no. The worst performing currencies no. Ghana at also 4.
Wow.
And Bawumia, these are recent publications from Bloomberg. And you're the same Nkrofona Omo envisage say Ghana will end 2024 with a dollar trading per city at 12 cities.
That's right.
Yeah, no, you're half and then you're 16 cities.
16.2.
Yes.
You're cost 17.
Yes. And you see, Nema Neba Buama Dol Sikana Nimoya Druno. All those things are not there because and for the first time, look at the cocoa no your turn. Look at the number. Yeah, last year as at this time, the first 2 months, now you recorded over $1 billion. The same time, Alaska this year, you're saying $530 million. You lose over $500 million. Sikana kakana wa hano so yes area. Sana no one publications about bontin Sika Bank of Ghana di twa sika.
That's right.
Ya ho
Sika odi etwa sika.
Bank of Ghana etimi over $400 million and over e de ko print sika. say obechama na sika no kwakọ print Alaska. So you see issues na ye kan no and I'm say you trivialize political issues in this country. So we buy the NDC MPP debate, you know, and we are not paying much attention to the critical and the real issues and underpinning your politics. And I'm for the Mubugu so because I'm a ferma Bawumia. Why the guy can gather moral courage amidst of this mess? Maybe to me, yes, how? Like how? No, you can only do that when you think the people are fools. Wow. Oh yes. Because when you are dealing with people and you think that these people are ignorant people for when they be more oh when they be but you might not know. Some are very wise and they are watching you from afar. And you must be very, 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 very your friend is saying careful about those things. Because there be no justification. Apart from say, you don't hear any other thing. As we speak, Ghana or Mino, Esijamo, and Bawumia and Akufo-Addo are the two people who have the power to calibrate whatever policy change be Ghana here at this time. And if you minor staff crying as a leader, and they are out there busy. About 3 months ago, maybe about Sankrofo drugs your mother Brian Akapot.
That's a global fund.
Global fund. The following the minister no foot say when the America call that's the thing is still stuck there.
But when them say now global fund the $2 million US account say fan clear. Na do trokoma won say omuma yensika ne yemfa clean ni sika. Hey!
So Oko Hospital na HIV patient what they are going through, malaria patient, and that is this particular fund no what dedicated to antiretroviral drugs and then as a form and now more specialized in. So most of the drugs nearby no is for these people, these vulnerable people who need these drugs. Adrona Besi Hospital for over years.
Abesi port.
Conditions na ewom no e bab on things how the money pay nye but you be force the money pay no. Yes. So the last time I went back to campus, I met a doctor. Oh no, you're research into these areas, antiretroviral drugs and how effective they are. He was complaining to me that he went to a facility around Legon and I'm checking HIV patient the viral load. So now I'm taking Rona 6 months after you go and check whether there has been a suppression and as a form. Nipa our antiretroviral drugs or no drona you expect that the viral load is better or times 2.
Oh, that's yes. Effective.
We don't care about and you see the research we all sign here no way obi amfa ho masa message for your mistake of black man ko heaven or to na heaven you treasure to me na aboy nyina we are very wicked and selfish me say we dey be ameka yeah wicked o Alaska Bruni will not allow this. I don't know crowd also there but they will make sure say they will go to lab and make sure say that thing now we know and you fit for purpose. Are you aware say drugs from Bontemba Kuruma with the person I'm in the casa he's part of those things. Or say I don't know from Bontemba they don't even bother to check whether the efficacy is for you way eba straight in distribute. He's somebody who not lie.
Oh
yes, I don't know but they don't even check. Oh global fund is that there and that is okay. Ya distribute to Alaska and among four now take advantage. The last time I was telling you about what happened in your family, say is it Haiti? No Haiti. One of the countries this medical missionary missionary for kidneys in as a form. Because some of these things they are organ harvesting syndicates or that is the operation, but you will never find out because when Ghana as a when I invasive procedure or hospital, wako hospital or checking the kidney, say me no need now order. Or to check with the kidney. So whether you have your 2 kidneys or not, but the only comfort you take is you have never undergone any invasive medical procedure.
Exactly.
Because for the kidney to be taken, you must undergo invasive medical procedure. Until we Kobia, you know, so we say, but my ambassador, you don't move to Kwana, just acquire medicals or South Africa, you don't just acquire Alaska. Go back and check your kidney, my sister. Because Ebia Bakopa in the name.
Ow.
Alaska. So, Sanyama when you exist somewhere. I didn't mean see what I say. And your leadership that are supposed to pay attention to some of these things. So, Alaska, Mr. Greed, selfishness, Kennedy Agyapong, they could have compensated himself. Campaign or no boka.
That's right.
But you see, campaign na all there are a lot of middle people who actually got certain hope. Trust me when you move, hoping at least in the future, no, this guy will continue on this particular line. You believe, say, but now you do the U-turn. The same thing away, your friend is Kwabena Agyapong. The last time I was telling you,
that's right.
Among all the MPP candidates, no more stand Sanka or we need, yeah. This election can be very difficult because he wasn't part of the administration, and the guy Okasa, you know, say he has debt, but they are all part of this team. Yes, this is a guy who recently denigrated. Politics in as well, but it depended on in some obeka. In some na border on credibility. In some na say politics. It's just stage in the campaign to be cancelled.
Right.
But issues are a border on credibility and in competence. You can't take them back. Because okacha me say competent and my bona my say ya. What will change that particular thing?
Nothing will change.
When I go back to school.
And the same person is telling us today, say, yeah, but when him Ivan, Oko Jina campaign platform no so no. Your communication expert. Listen to Asem Okaye. Analyze it now for me. Listen to join T.
Never mind, you are going to Jamwa MPP. One dance here. And my listen. And yet, 3 years Ocean and Mofra are actually Echo University. And now 3 years or the buy-in. If you want duties in the American Nazam Petra. Never was all for 2 hours. Never getting Oba, our young school. Over 2 hours. Walking home, Oba, our school. Sir, Mamadachi, a basic design, and this is 4 hours. And only at the other
all right.
Alaska. Me say when greed ever become apparent and we are self-seeker, you always look after yourself. And you see your political arena, no, me say there are a lot of selfish, greedy people in the Mugu stage in so. It is about his interest. And the American Kennedy Agyapong where Kasano, you see certain reluctance.
That's right.
But something is compelling him. So what's your statement? You know, that's what it means. So on one Kasano in free will, no, onya onko. In some no can on one kai what he recently told people. You my credibility is on the line, especially if you want to come back in the future. People will not take you serious anymore. And I make us a first, you know. A year 2000 a year ya NDC jina platforms are boom 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 MPP jina platform boom 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 omo mutienu so mutienu boom 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 okodua na akoto aba boom 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 na development boom 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 mama. But Alaska catch us with the advent of the social media, people have become very critical. And a ma omo taking interest in politics by social media platforms. A ma only need to know you debater. But in the past, how often I want to talk about politics?
No.
People are becoming increasingly interested in about the politics. And it won't mean wine say on 2000s, I don't know. No. And then the average and the ordinary Ghanaian are a bit enlightened and intelligent. As some can, they will sit down, analyze, and see say, and if you are not serious. Because yes, you have every right to campaign for Bawumia. But Alaska, look at the other side that you think say. And some na air costo are you different from the now because free SHS is no issue and your campaign we are come as because problem Ghana tell no stretching beyond free SHS.
You waiting for waiting and some year I want innocent or the Tróuble award to be money a Kennedy Agyapong ya or then ho ekobata Bawumia 1 year campaign and no na go we abo enyiso na Ivan react ya wada sebudo na ra edi because Jubilee so and our no so when you subscribe ya let's say always subscribe no like it na wa share video da ma ofo so enyi bi na wa hwe wo so betimi atre wadwen afa enye and some way you know e wo comment box ni mo beti nkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.